Behold, here is, on the horizon you can see Shackles, an infamous island chain dominated by pirate warlords, and only real adventurers like you can come together in a battle to fight these terrifying sea monsters. And this awesome dice tower will help you to solve any task and fight these terrible sea villains and their minions. The tower is made in a very peculiar pirate style, and it is immediately noticeable because the first thing you see is this huge skull with shackles on the front side of the tower. On the right side there is a very special steering wheel, and on the right side there is a cool old-fashioned compass. In the lower part of the dice tower there is a small trunk for storage of dice, and during the game it can be used as a fence so that your dice won't scatter all over the table. Put a few dice at the top of the dice tower, start the wheel, and enjoy the result of your throw. Pirate Dice Tower is made of an excellent high-density fiberboard. The material is very smooth and durable, and it can be easily painted with acrylic paints to make it the coolest dice tower ever. Just use your imagination, and with this dice tower, any card game, board game, or real playing game will tell a different and very exciting story. Item is sold unassembled. While assembling, you will need only a drop of glue and just for this prank.